A-Mac on the mix. Ugh.
Yo, what up? It's your girl AMAC back with another quick tip. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a pre-delay on a reverb that doesn't come with a pre-delay knob. Now, if you're unfamiliar with what a pre-delay is, it's basically a threshold for when your reverb's going to start. So you'll put 5 milliseconds, 10 milliseconds, 15 milliseconds, etc. And the reverb won't start to happen until those milliseconds have gone by. And that's a really great way to help get your vocals in front of the reverb and of your mix and to have them really shine. If you're not utilizing pre-delay, I definitely suggest you get into it. I'll show you on Valhalla, everybody's favorite reverb right now. And on the default, it comes with a 20 millisecond pre-delay knob here. So that means that this reverb doesn't start until 20 milliseconds after the vocal has started to go through this. But what do you do if you have a reverb that doesn't have that knob? Today on this mix, I'm using a little plate, and I love little plate a lot. But as you can see, all we got is a mod, a decay knob, a mix knob, and a low cut knob. No pre-delay. So what are we going to do to have a pre-delay? I definitely want to hear a little bit of dry vocals before I hear the reverb in this one. So first thing, I'm going to move a little plate into the second position. And I'm going to bring up my favorite delay, which is H delay. You could do this with any delay. And then I'm going to choose milliseconds. You want to make sure you keep the dry wet on 100. And then I can just bring the milliseconds down to whatever I want it to be, whether it's 1, 35, 79, whatever I want. And now there's a pre-delay on my reverb send. And that's all I got for you guys today. Peace.